If you're looking for a third-row SUV, this is an option you should definitely have. Usually in a regular SUV, you have to knock down the rows manually or by a pull of a cable. But in the Hyundai 2020 Palisade, you can do that with the push of a button. And if you need more space, you can knock down the second row too with the push of a button. And if you're done with that, you can just pick it back up. For driver assistance, to make it much easier, you can actually drop down the seats from the screen. Let me show you. First, you go to setup, then you go to vehicle, scroll down to seat, 3T back folding, simple as that. Fold, fold. And that is one of the many reasons Hyundai considers the Palisade as the kingpin. If you want to find out more, please visit us at City World Hyundai at 3350 Boston Road. It's better to buy in the Bronx.